Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing two more holographic polishes from UBERCHIC Beauty. These are part of their New Year's launch and they are currently available right now on the UBERCHIC Beauty website, which I will leave linked down below. These polishes are 10-free and cruelty-free, and let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is Party On, which is a classic silver linear holographic polish. For this polish, I applied 3 coats for full opacity because I felt like I needed that third coat under my bright lights, but in other lightings, I feel like I could get away with 2 coats because the holographic is so strong. I really don't think you could ask for much more from a silver linear holographic polish. It's so pretty, and here are 3 coats of Party On. And the second holographic polish in this New Year's launch is called New Me, which is a light blue linear holographic polish. Now this one was a little bit light on that first coat, but I was able to get it completely opaque in 2, and this one also has that same beautiful linear holographic finish. So here are 2 coats of New Me. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 2 holographic polishes from UBERCHIC Beauty's New Year's launch. Let me know which one is your fave in the comments down below. Again, these are available right now on the UBERCHIC Beauty website, which I will leave linked down below. But anyways, that's all for today's video. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so consider subscribing. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!